Scheduling texts is one of the most underrated power user features on Android, and it's perfect for those moments where you want to send something before you forget it, but don't want the message to go out yet. To schedule a message, you'll just type a message as usual, and then instead of tapping the send button, you can actually long press the send button to open the scheduling tool. You'll see a couple of suggested times, or you can pick a custom date and time. You can schedule messages up to 1 year in the future. And one important thing to remember is that your phone needs to be powered on when the message is scheduled to go out. You'll also need to have Signal, otherwise the message won't go through. After you've set the time, you'll tap the send button that now has a little clock attached to it. The message shows in the conversation as a scheduled message, and the other person doesn't see it until it actually gets sent. You can tap the message to update the message, send it immediately, or delete it if you change your mind. Another way to do this is to type your message, and then tap the little plus icon on the left side of your text input field. Then choose Schedule Send and follow the steps I showed earlier. And that's how you schedule messages. Great for birthday texts and stuff like that. Click the like button if this helped and subscribe for more guides like this. Thanks all, until next time.